Hi, my friend. Welcome back to the channel. If you are dealing with some puffiness around the eyes and generally feeling dull and tired around the eye area and even on the 11 lines here and your forehead is getting a little more tense, this is a wonderful Gua Sha routine that I'm going to take you through, which is very simple, but it does make a big difference. And then we're going to end it with an amazing facial acupressure point that you're going to love. So let's get started. So we're gonna get started by applying a little bit of face oil. Make sure your hands are clean, your face is clean. This is really important with Gua Sha. So we're gonna take our moment here. If the face oil has a bit of a scent, hopefully it's aromatherapy, it's natural essential oil. So take a moment and just inhale the aroma. If you're interested, Global Face Serum is right here. It has an amazing scent of mandarin and palmarosa and frankincense and neroli. And it's really wonderful when doing facial gua sha. So I'm taking some time here and just applying the face oil. So before we do any gua sha, it's really wonderful to take some moment and apply some face oil. This just kind of gets you into that calm state, which is really important and actually enhances the experience when we're doing gua sha. So it's not about rushing through your routine. It's really about taking your time and connecting. Okay, so now we have a bit of face oil on our face already. So we take our Gua Sha tool and we are going to start with some quick lymphatic drainage. So this is really important when we have any kind of puffiness around the eye area because we want to drain all that excess fluid. So we're going to take our tool and you're going to take the long edge here and glide it gently all the way down to the collarbone here and do a little pulse at the end here. Take a nice deep breath, relax. Remember, this is your time to have a little self-care moment. Beautiful. Let's go on the other side. Wonderful. Let's take the tool now, still this rounded edge, glide it all the way out on the chest area here. Other side. Wonderful. So first we are going to be working on our forehead area here. So I'm going to take the long edge of the tool here, place the fingers here for support, and then glide all the way out. Remember to breathe deeply. Wonderful. Next, we are going to take the long edge of the tool here again. Place your fingers here for support and then glide all the way out. Just warming up the muscles before we start going deeper into the eye area. Let's go on the other side. Wonderful. Okay, so now we're going to start going into our eye area and our 11 lines here between the eyebrows. So let's actually start going in this area right here. So we're going to take this part of the tool right here now, and you're going to start gliding up. when you're holding tension in the face, you can, and you're starting to release it using this tool, what can happen is that you want to sigh or you want to yawn. And that is actually a really good sign, because that means you're stimulating this point and you're releasing the tension. So this is super, super beneficial to know also that it's actually working not just our skin, it's working our entire body, it's working our emotions. It's so connected. And I will go deeper into this in later videos, but we're going to keep this one super simple. But just know Gua Sha has so many benefits apart from just our skin. So I'm going to take this smaller rounded edge of the tool here now. Place your finger here for support and then glide all the way out to the temples. And when you're working with the eye area here, just make sure you are very gentle. And you don't have to press hard at all. It's really just about being very gentle and soft. Wonderful. We're going to go on the other side. Hold here for support. Great. Now we are going to go underneath the eyes. Hold your fingers here by the nose and glide all the way out again. Let's go on the other side. Wonderful. We're going to take the tool now and lay it flat. Place it here underneath the eyes. And then gently we'll go all the way out like this. Remember, gentle movements. Take a nice deep breath. We are releasing the tension around our eye area. We're also helping reduce any kind of puffiness and dark circles. Let's go on the other side. Gentle, like laying it flat like this, and then just go gliding all the way out like this. Such a powerful technique to really help depuff and brighten our entire eye area here. Wonderful. Okay, so to end this routine, I'm going to show you a wonderful acupressure point. So you want to take your fingers here, place them right in between here on the inside corner of the eye. Close your eyes if you want, and you're going to press gently here for 20 seconds. Take a nice deep breath. This is an amazing technique here to really brighten the whole eye area, to wake up and get some blood circulation to the eye area, relieving any tension. So this is a wonderful acupressure point that you can do every single day if you want. Just take a couple seconds, take a few moments there, and really just press it into the inside corner of the eye. Take a nice deep breath and just hold here gently. And remember, whenever we're working on the eye area, just to be very gentle. So I hope you enjoy this routine, and please go check out my other facial Gua Sha videos. And if you want to see anything specific in terms of Gua Sha or face yoga, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you soon. I will see you in the next one.